In this video, we're going to show you how to build a toolbox. A good solid toolbox is indispensable around the home. You'll be able to carry most of the tools you need around the home to the job where you're working and have it all there with you. This project will require a saw, tri-square, a drill for driving the screws, clamps, a tape measure of course, a spade bit for drilling the hole for the handle, screws, safety glasses, ear protection and dust protection if we're using power tools. In terms of the materials today, we're using 140 by 19 pine for the sides, 290 by 14 pine for the ends, a piece of 25mm dowel for the handle and 10mm plywood for the base. The first thing we're going to do is mark out for the two ends of the toolbox. They're both cut from this 290 by 19 pine and the length is going to be 380. Proceed to draw the design onto the end and then it needs to be cut. That's the position for the top one. Measure up the 140 for the sides. Find the centre of the board at the top. In this case, a ruler thickness for the top. We'll connect the marks. Now in this particular design, the sides are notched into the end, which is a little more work. You'll start to see the shape of it coming together now. The hole for the handle, I'm just finding the centre. Having marked out the two ends, now I'm going to proceed to mark out the sides. This is out of 140 by 19 pine again. We've got to come down 800 for this design. The next item to cut is the base. We mark it out. It's 800 long. And all we need now to do is to cut that out. We have our parts all ready now to put together. The way we're going to do it, we're going to put the sides onto the ends first. That's probably the easiest way to do it. And then we'll put the base on the assembled sides and ends. And the last thing to go on will be the handle. I'm going to add glue to the appropriate parts. I've got the sides and the ends attached and you'll see now how it fits into the notch we cut out earlier. So the next thing to do is to put the base on. So it's just a matter of screwing it into the pre-drilled holes. And we do have the optional tool carrier for the end of the toolbox and screwed in place and can be used to hold the odd bits and pieces that you might have in your toolbox and just helps to sort things out like so. The next thing to do is to put the handle on and that's about the final stage. So we thread the handle through those holes we drilled earlier and it's a pretty snug fit, which is what you want. Well, there's our toolbox all finished, very sturdy, able to carry quite a lot of tools, not too heavy to carry around. If you'd like more information about this project or any other project, go down to a local Bunnings Warehouse near you and any of our friendly team members will be able to help you.